अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल टेक बाय रहमान। व्यूवर्स, आज की वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगा हाउ टू मेक मनी सेलिंग कोर्सेज ऑनलाइन। तो चलते हैं वीडियो की तरफ। इससे पहले अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें ताकि हमारे चैनल की मज़ीद आने वाली वीडियोज़ का नोटिफिकेशन आपके मोबाइल तक पहुँच जाए। Creating and selling courses online to make money is one sector that has seen significant growth recently. The demand for authentic and credible courses is extremely high, and it is going to grow by 2026. The global learning market is expected to reach $375 billion from less than $200 billion in 2019. Take this Python course that has nearly a million enrolled students, for example. It is priced at $11.99, though not all the enrolled students are paid. Some get free coupons. Even if half of them purchase the course at its current price, it means the course has earned more than $5 million and the instructor only $2.5 million. Not bad if 24 hours of video content and 19 articles can help you generate $2.5 is not and it's pure passive income. The course was last updated back in September 2019. This is just one example. In fact, the course selling market is gigantic, and there are hungry buyers out there looking for quality courses to upgrade their skills so they can excel in their career and personal development. This guide will show you how to make money selling courses online from scratch. If you are new to all this and have no idea where to begin, this actionable guide is for you. But first, let's look at the reasons selling courses can be a profitable business. What makes course selling a gigantic business market? The case study by Tommy Mister is one of the best examples. He shared all the details on how he left his full-time job and created the first online course that helped him earn more than $10K per month. Next step, his son earned $130,208 from his course on marketing in the first week. John Omad made $1 million in a single year for his training on iOS app development. As you can see, selling courses online to make money is a highly lucrative business model. If you are skeptical as to why people will buy your course, consider then. The student loan debt in 2020 has crossed 1.56 trillion in the US. There are over 55 million browsers with an average student loan debt amounting to $32,731. The high cost of education has motivated students and employers to look for alternatives. Digital education has provided a breakthrough. At least 33% of college students take a least one learning course. Why? Because it's cost effective and they learn 5 times more than they do from a formal course in college. And it's not just student. Campaigns are also focusing extensively on web-based courses to train their workforce. Research shows that his help organization increase revenue and boost employee productivity and effectiveness. Obviously, creating and selling online courses is a growing industry, and the best part is that making money this way is not just a one-off gig. It's a full-fledged business model. You get a chance to connect with your students, offer them upgrades, provide them with more advanced courses, and generate a passive income stream. A guide to getting income from course selling. The step-by-step guide below will show you how to start and what step to follow to create and launch a course and receive your first payment. तो व्यूवर्स, ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो जिसमें मैंने आपको बताया हाउ टू मेक मनी सेलिंग कोर्सेज ऑनलाइन। उम्मीद है कि आपको वीडियो की प्रॉपर समझ लग गई है और वीडियो पसंद आई है। अगर वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करते जाएं और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते जाएं। बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलिएगा ताकि टेक बाय रहमान की मज़ीद आने वाली वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपके मोबाइल तक पहुंच जाए। टेक बाय रहमान को दें इजाज़त। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज़।